Guys, she's so bad. She's saying she's so tired of walking. So I have to really
Carry me! See, we are still at Atlantis.
Good morning everyone, and a big thanks to all of you. You have been watching, subscribing and doing all that stuff which I have been loving. You know, every time I check my analytics, it's just going higher and higher and higher, and which is so good, man. I feel sometimes really emotional, man. Clap for all of you guys, clap. Yeah, even bigger clap. Yeah, more claps. Yeah, okay, shut up now. Yeah guys, so basically, you know what, should I share that with them?
Yes.
I was planning to compose a song. Yeah, okay, shut up now. Hey, shut up, man. I was planning to compose a song, but whoever does similar thing like doing songs, playing guitar and stuff like this, I've been telling them, mate, can you please help me composing a song? You know what they say, Rahul, you have to do this and to make it better. But my thing is, guys, trust me on one time, I don't want to make a good song, I want to make a bad song. Yeah, seriously, I want to make a bad song, not a good song. That's the whole point. You know, all the good songs are not doing good. But anyways, I'm not gonna talk about it anymore because we are heading towards somewhere really special. I wanted to catch sunset, but I think it's already done. So let me try if I can catch the sunset. And oh my god, this camera is shaking. And let's see if I'll take you somewhere really exotic locations. Did I say way too much? Okay, yeah, let me just directly take you there. Guys, just to catch the sunset rather than going to Atlantis. Well, we will go over there also, but later. But just to catch the sunset, well, there is no sun because a lot of clouds are there.
It's already set.
But still some brightness is there. So yeah, until you enjoy the sunset, do not forget, be brave, strive for your dreams and enjoy your life.
Despacito, quiero respirar despacito, quiero desnudarte a besos despacito, y papacito, suavecito, nos vamos pegando poquito, poquito, besa mi boca, despacito.
We are going to enter the Palm Jumeirah. We will be going to Atlantis to pick up one of our friends. You have already seen her in many of the videos. Bro. Okay. Right now we are about to enter in a tunnel, and the fact about this tunnel is, this is the tunnel under the sea, right? This tunnel is to connect the last crescent, like last man-made land which they have made on this, the Palm. The tunnel we are in right now is under the sea, so they basically did not want to spoil the view over the sea, so that's why they put this tunnel. So enjoy the tunnel. So crazy, right? Such a crazy thing to see, right?
Yeah, we are underwater now.
We are under the water. My god, the feeling itself is awesome.
And we are about to come out. Hi, good evening. Pick up someone.
Yo, guys,
This is my favorite place.
this is one of the favorite places. This side is sea behind me, and this side is Atlantis. If you can see Atlantis, oh yeah, it's right there. It's right there. And this is basically a walk track or jogging track, whatever you wanna say. And then there are a lot of food trucks, so you can sit. And this is quite big, man. This is quite big. Look at the view, though, man. It's so beautiful, right?
It's so royal.
It's so royal. It's actually so royal. Atlantis, the Palm. We stayed here like 3 years,
Yeah.
and we'll come back again after like 2-3 more years, and we'll be so much excited, guys. Actually, this wasn't there before when we were here, so yeah, it's now it's here. See the jogging track, the walking track, or whatever it is. One side is sea. I wish we could catch up the sunset here, which would be more
This is
interesting.
really
This is really interesting. Maybe next time. By the way, Priyanka is in the Poonam is in the car.
We left her there.
We left her there. She cannot walk because she wanna go to washroom first.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
But basically she is tired. Why don't you just say she is tired?
No, she wanted to go to washroom, and then I gave her bottle to just release herself, but she said no. Let's click some pictures here, guys. Let's click with this beautiful piece of building, guys. This looks so beautiful, so nice, so amazing. You know, we can't get enough with this view. This is not even coming fully in the frame, man. By the way, guys, this is divided into 2 parts, west and east, and this is the most expensive room, the Royal Bridge. What is it called, Priyanka?
Yeah, the royal bridge.
The Royal Bridge Suite. And
There, down there we have underwater.
no, it's somewhere here, Underwater Suite, which is quite famous as well. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let's take some pictures.
Let's click some pictures.
Guys, look at
Look at me. Where am I?
guys, it's so bad. She's saying she's so tired of walking, so I have to really.
Carry me. See, we are still at Atlantis.
Priyanka, can you please manage like half of the way, guys? It's been...
Okay, fine. Let me go down.
Finally, guys. Thank God.
But it was really enjoyable, huh? I didn't
Yeah, of
have
course,
to
for
walk.
you it's enjoyable, but for me I have to carry you. Yeah, she's 54 kgs, by the way. 52, I'm sorry. She's 52 kgs.
I look heavy, but I am not heavy.
No, I mean, putting you on my back was really heavy. This is really worth coming here. Guys, if ever you plan your trip to Dubai, consider this place, guys. This will make your day. This has got a lot of, what is that? Water park. This has got aquaventure, aquarium, lagoons. There are so many things to do in this hotel. Some emotional connection, you know. I'm really sorry, but this is not a place. This is like a destination. So, yep. Guys, Poonam doesn't like my camera. By the way, we are in Mall of the Emirates. Guys, we are somewhere really nice. We are in Mall of the Emirates. And look at the food. I took everything, whatever I never eaten before. This is Poonam's plate. Poonam doesn't like camera. And this is Priyanka's. She loves camera. She's a camera girl. So did you like my recommendation? Poonam, did you like my recommendation? She's hiding her face.
9 lamb chop.
What is this?
Fried banana.
And this is mashed potatoes.
Yes.
So mashed potatoes are really tasty. You should really try. I don't know what's inside. There is something in there. It's good, right? A lot of butter. Guys, this is the time to get spoiled. Spoiled so badly because there are so many options in the buffet. This is black lentil, basmati rice. This is grape, by the way, grape salad. Do not touch my plate again. And then this is potato, This is mushroom sauteed. Oh my god, this is heaven for me. Priyanka is enjoying her lobster soup. Priyanka, why are you scared? Thank you very much. I like your dress. Thank you.
ये मीडियम है और मज़ा आ जाएगा।
उसके बाद क्या बोला था? उसके बाद वो THANKU.
थैंक यू राहुल।
Guys, we are in Ferrari store. And this girl cannot resist buying this t-shirt. The t-shirt name is based on Ferrari car, which is California T, and she's looking pretty cute, man. They're looking really nice. Buy it, it's a good deal. Very nice. Yep. They're looking beautiful.
insisting.
Oh boy, what to say, what to do, man. This girl is super crazy, and the reason is basically we are having a lot of fun in that particular restaurant. That restaurant is super awesome, very nice restaurant. We have been passing by that restaurant in that particular mall and always wondering that we would go one day over there and eat. Basically, the plan was before we go out of the house that we would go for my shopping, maybe a t-shirt for me or something, and then we'll go somewhere, sit down, eat, drink and come back home. But we met another friend of us, Egyptian guy, very nice guy, and talking and then could not record anything. But guys, this is not fair. You guys are always roasting me in my previous videos that Priyanka is giving me MacBook Pro gift, she is giving me shoes. Guys, is this not expensive
Can you
gift?
hold it properly, please?
Look at the ribbon, guys. Here, look at this. Oh my god, guys, this is not it was supposed to be my shopping, but she's been getting gifts now, so do not curse me later on that I don't gift her anything. Guys, look at the brand.
Let me unbox it.
I have not seen her this careful ever before. Look at the way she's opening it, and the sticker over there is also Ferrari sticker. There's a horse, there's a logo of Ferrari. Oh my god, she's a Ferrari girl. She's a Ferrari girl. Oh my lord, look at the packaging of this thing. Oh my lord. You know what is the name of this t-shirt? This is really special. California T. Okay. Are you happy?
Super happy.
Todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Cosas al oído para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. En las paredes de un laberinto, es en tu cuerpo todo un manuscrito.
पहले Volkswagen Passat ले ली